Unraveling the mystery. Pardon my French. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into a unique and interesting phrase, pardon my French. Often heard in English conversations, this expression has a quirky history and a specific usage. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it appropriately in your own conversations. Pardon my French is a phrase used in English to apologize in advance or excuse oneself for using profane language or swear words. Interestingly, the phrase has nothing to do with the French language itself. It's a humorous or ironic way of acknowledging that you're about to use or have just used some strong or offensive language. The phrase, pardon my French, dates back to the 19th century. It originated in England when people would apologize for using French words in conversation, assuming not everyone understood French. Over time, it humorously evolved to be used as a preemptive apology for swearing, not for speaking French. Pardon my French is generally used in informal settings among friends or peers. It's often said before or immediately after swearing, as a light-hearted way to acknowledge the use of bad language without causing offense. For example, before swearing, I'm really angry. Pardon my French, but this situation is complete BS. After swearing, that was a damn difficult task. Pardon my French. However, it's important to understand the context and the company you're in. Using this phrase doesn't always make it okay to swear. It's best to avoid using bad language in professional or formal settings, even with this disclaimer. While pardon my French is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's always good to be mindful of cultural differences. What's considered mildly offensive in one culture might be highly offensive in another. When in doubt, it's better to choose polite language, especially if you're speaking with people from various cultural backgrounds. Pardon my French is a fascinating phrase that adds a touch of humor and politeness when you slip into using strong language. Remember, while it's a handy phrase for lightening the mood, always be conscious of your audience and the setting. We hope this video helps you understand and use pardon my French in your English conversations. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.